Thanks, Amar. The last couple of days have been really good. I came from really no knowledge of cyber at all. To be honest, I found the first morning frightening. Almost personally, that so much can be done, and there's so much access to systems. And your first bit about don't protect, be ready to be. You know that you're going to get attacked. That was like an eye-opener for me, and it just kept my eyes kept open from there on. As I said earlier in the thing, I'm non-technical at all, and I rely on Jackie and our colleagues in IT Assist to do the techie stuff for us. But the processes, the procedures, the thoughts that you've given me to think about how I go about my BCP stuff and my emergency planning stuff, that is going to be really useful to me going forward. So yeah, thanks very much. Appreciate the dog friendly thing, as Paul said as well, and I think your style of delivery is also very engaging, as others have already said. Thanks.